Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can request money from PayPal. I said from PayPal, but by the way I mean from your friend who's using PayPal, alright? Do not get confused, you cannot request money from PayPal company, alright? So yeah, let's dive right into the video. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's get into the video, shall we? So it's pretty simple to request money from PayPal since the main objective of PayPal is to send and receive money, and requesting money means receiving the money if somebody's sending it, alright? Or you're asking for your money whom you have lent it in a short form. So let me show you guys how you guys can request it. If you guys can see a small request button at the bottom over here, you can just click on this request button to request money from your friends, and you can click on sync phone contact if you want to, but for now I'm going to click on skip for now. And over here you can enter the username or email or mobile number of the person over here, and after entering it, it's gonna send a request from the person. You can always click on this QR code looking thing, and it's gonna show you your QR code over here, and your friend can just scan this QR code and send you your money as well. It's easy this way. Or you can just enter the name of the person over here to request their name. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can request money from your friends. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in a bit. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.